a very good morning from Badami. So today is Monday 13th of December. कल actually मैंने video end ठीक से नहीं किया because I slept off and then I went for a walk without the cameras. I did not shoot anything, absolutely nothing. तो यहाँ पे देखो भाई मॉर्निंग का नज़ारा. So ये क्लिप मैं दोनों वीडियो में डालूँगा. This will be my end of first video. And please do watch my second video, which will be really exciting, which will cover the Badami cave temples and other monuments in Badami. And also this will be the start of the second video. अभी मैं मस्त चाय पीता हूँ और रेडी होके ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकल जाता हूँ बादामी के लिए केव टेम्पल्स. सो सी यू देयर. So guys, I have reached the Badami cave temples. There are 4 cave temples here. I've hired a guide here. Now I'll take you through all the 4 temples and I'll give you a lot of information. I mean, he will give you a lot of information. So these are the, you can see my, behind me you can see this cave temples, right? So let's go inside and let's explore more.
Sir, please show the ticket. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಒಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಡ ಅದು ಯಾರ ಬೇಡ ನಿಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅವರು ನನಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. I will explain from here.
Yes sir.
Yes, my name is Basavaraj. Good morning. I'm working here since 20 years, approved tourist guide. So today I will show you 4 beautiful ancient rock cut temples. Please come.
So we'll be coming back by this route only, right?
Yes, sir. Same way.
Same route.
One way we have here. Please come this side. Have a look at information board. So 3 languages are here. First is Kannada. Next is national language. Last one is the business language. It's English. So this is made by Archaeological Survey of India. So here is Archaeological Survey of India have an information board. There is perfect, authentic. We will see.
Right.
Have a look. This is the Badami city. Badami city. This is 496 meter high sea level. It means 1500 years high, 1500 feet height. Then this is a Badami city. Badami city is near the monument, lot of mud houses. Then there is a white big building, that is a Clarkson Hotel. Behind the Clarkson Hotel there is a west direction in Badami. There is a lot of concrete houses. Have a look, this is a north hill in Badami. So the north hill have a assembled temple. We are in the south hill. Badami, we are in the Deccan plateau. Deccan is 4 to 5 months is too hot in this area. So the Deccan is Badami. Badami rock is a amazing rock in India. Have a look the Badami rocks like a almond color. Any Indian language, almond is known as Badam.
Badam.
That's why name of the town Badami. So Badami is famous for rock cut temple. Then later I will explain. Before Badami it was Vatapi or Vatapipura. The small mythological story behind that. Once again, have a look the color of the rock. You know, compared to Hampi, Hampi is the hidden rocks. It's a granite.
Yeah.
So it's a sedimentary rock. It's a sandstone.
Sandstone.
So
Okay.
by nature, chip by chip is open. This one.
Yeah.
Then color of the rock, lot of almond color.
Right.
You feel it looks like a painted. It's not
Right.
painting. Natural formation of the rock. Yeah. Yes, this is the first one dedicated Shiva temple. So when it was built, we don't know because we don't have an inscription here.
Right.
But as a historian, 543 after first Pulakesi was made this rock cut temple.
Okay.
So it means 21st century, you count in 543 to 21st century, 1478 years running. Hope 1500 years back they made this rock cut temple.
Oh my God.
You know, I told you that 2 types of temple architecture here.
Yeah.
I told North
North
have
Hill.
assembled temples. It means that they joined it one by one stone piece, then they made.
Right.
But this is only one single solid rock. previously cut it in the top, come down with the column, then finished here.
Oh, so it is cut from the top and coming down.
Yes, normally assembled temple from the bottom.
Bottom, yes, yes.
But rock cut temple always top of the hill, then come down and through the pillars, then finish it. So the what we see the pillars, sculpture, and lingam, all one single solid rock.
Right.
Then this one made by dedicated Shiva temple is made by Chalukya dynasty.
Right.
1400 years background figure we say. Then what we see the Chalukyan art and architecture, always like a square type of pillar, lot of. Then top of the pillar more decorated, 10% pillar like a round shape.
Right.
Then have a look the sculpture like this. This is, I hope you heard the name Bhamiyan Buddha.
Yeah.
Bhamiyan Buddha from Afghanistan. That is a stone inside the sculpture.
Okay.
But this is a stone outside the sculpture.
Okay.
This one. Have a look. This is the name of the statue, Nataraja.
Nataraja, yeah.
Normally in India, Nataraja sculpture 10 arms, 8 arms, 4 arms. But the first time Chalukyan artist was made here, left side 9 arms, right side 9 arms. 1800 Nataraja.
Yeah.
You know why Chalukyan artist was made here 18 arms? Because last 2000 years ago in our South India, the famous classical dance in Bharatanatyam.
Right.
Still Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance up in our India. So I will show some dancing movements here.
Yeah.
Little go back. Have a look in the left hand side 9 arms. One hand front of the chest like this.
Yes.
The right hand side 9 arms. One hand like this.
Yeah.
Now you see my 2 hands remaining with all.
Yeah.
You know this position.
Huh.
Gaja Hasta Mudra. Gaja
Okay.
means elephant, Hasta means hand. It looks like a trunk and a elephant.
Right.
One hand like this, Damar Mudra.
Right.
One hand like this, Chinna Mudra, teaching movement.
Right.
2 hands upper part like this, Mayur Mudra means
Yeah.
peacock dance.
Peacock dance,
So
yeah.
just you do permutation combination.
Yeah.
9 into 9 or 9 cross 9. All 81 dancing movement we see here.
Wow.
The entire world architecture, this is the one fantastic figure.
Yeah.
1800 Nataraja, then Nandi, then Ganesha brother, Kartik or Subramanya, he
Yeah.
beating the drum. Normally have a look at Nataraja, 10 arms, 8 arms, 4 arms available.
Yeah.
One more Nataraja from Chidambaram 1600. But entire world architecture, this is the one fantastic figure, 1800 Nataraja. Yes, you don't have a guide here now. So how you recognize this as Shiva temple? Have a look, there is a Shiva door guardian front of us.
Right.
That is holding in his hand trident,
Huh.
Trishula.
Yes,
So
yes.
easy to recognize.
Yeah.
So this is a door guardian of Lord Shiva. Have a look top of the door guardian, Shiva and Parvati riding on the bull.
Right.
Just have a look, Parvati sitting side. Nowadays our Indian ladies going on the motorbike.
Yeah.
Like both like one side.
Yeah.
Very simple logic. Now we use the bike, they use the bull.
Yeah.
Just little difference. Yeah. Then have a look. This is in Sanskrit we say Silpa Slesha.
Right.
It means 2 animals only one face, bull and elephant.
Right.
So now I will show the bull.
Yeah.
Have a look the bull. Bull nose, bull horn, hump, neck, leg. Just little cover like this.
Right.
This is the hump of the bull, looks like a trunk and a elephant. Elephant ear, elephant body. Little cover this.
Right.
So this is a elephant. 2 animals, only one
Two
face.
animals, one
But just is a big apart. I told it's a door guardian of Lord Shiva holding
Yeah.
his hand trident. So easy to recognize. I hope so. You've been Hampi.
Yes, yes.
Compared to Hampi,
Huh.
I look this location. This is very, very old
Very old,
architecture.
yes, yes.
Hampi just 400 years, 450 years.
Yeah.
Compared to Hampi, this is 900 years early.
Double then.
So later on, temple architecture improvement.
Huh.
Hampi is a heaven.
Yeah.
Yes, I recognize there 26 square kilometer, 83 monuments. So 20 acre, 30 acre, 40 acre land, one temple you will see there. So later on architecture improvement, but earlier of the temple architecture only 3 sections.
Yeah.
We are in first part of the temple, second part pillar hall, third part is the sanctum sanctorum.
Right.
So only first part of the temple have a proper line.
Right.
Then they made the statues. This is a Harihara. Hari means Vishnu, Hara means Shiva. The Vishnu holding in his hand seashell, Shiva holding in his hand axe with snake. Then is a Parvati, then Lakshmi, Nandi and Garuda. You know, they wanted to say through this sculpture so many names of God, but God is only one. You know, Hari means Vishnu. Vishnu is the always richest God.
Right.
Have a look, diamond bracelet. Have a look the earring, Karna Kundala, diamond ring. Have a look top of the head, half crown. So half belongs to Vishnu. Shiva just like a sannyasi, very simple. Snake bracelet, snake ring, top of the head, half moon and skull face. So half part of Shiva, half part of Vishnu. Before 1958, nobody located this monument.
Right.
1958 to still this is preserved by Archaeological Survey of India. So before 1958, some parts are broken. That is restored by the department. Have a look, the nose is newly done. Bottom lip newly done.
Yeah.
You follow my finger. Some bad people name all these parts. So this is restored by the department. Have a look this. People touch it.
Yeah.
Touch sometimes hand, sometimes forehead. So chip by chip, whether it was gone. So now, as a rule of archaeology, any heavy statues we don't touch.
Yeah.
So this is a Harihara. Then bottom have a Lilliputs.
Yeah.
When we go to the next cave, there I will explain about the Lilliputs.
Yeah.
Have a look upper part. There is angels. When we go to the next cave, there I will explain about the angels. Have a look this bottom of the beam. Every beam, both sides.
Yeah.
That is, we say mythological animal, not proper animal. Kali or Yaksha. This one. So meaning of this one, top of the pillar attached with the beam, they carrying the weight.
Right.
So meaning of this one. Then center of the first part of the temple have a center. We will see this is a half human body, half snake body.
Right.
Nagaraja, king's cobra. But hands it was broken. In Pattadakal Virupaksha temple also we will see.
Right.
Ayvalli Durga temple also we will see. But this is the one unique. So this is a Ardhanarishwara. It means a half belongs to female anatomy, half belongs to male anatomy. Parvati have a bangles, earring, hairstyle, lotus flower, trunk chain, hip, some ornaments is like it. Half belongs to Shiva, top of the head, half moon, skull face, snake ring, actual snake. So this half belongs to Lord Shiva.
Right.
Then this is a Parvati assistant. She holding her hand one makeup box, just makeup lady. This is a Shiva vehicle, bull, Nandi. Then this is a skeleton. Skeleton is very interesting story. Shortly I will explain. He was a Brunga Rishi, Brunga monk. Brunga have a philosophy. He thought that in my life I pray for only Shiva, never worshipping any Parvati, any god and goddess. So one day he went in Kailas mountain worshipping to Lord Shiva. That time he prayed for Shiva. Shiva and Parvati both there.
Right.
He prayed for Shiva. He made some holy rounds for Shiva. That time Parvati become very angry. She took from this body blood and flesh. That's why it looks like a skeleton.
Skeleton. No.
But we discuss here Parvati is a goddess.
Right.
She have a lot of power. She want to give another punishment. Why she took from this body, blood and flesh? Because as a Hindu religion, as a Hindu culture, skeleton and life belongs to father. You know, we are in the babies, mother feeding, breast milk, body going growth.
Right.
As a Hindu religion, as a Hindu culture, blood and flesh belongs to mother. That's why she took her part from this body. That's why she looks like a skeleton.
Yeah.
But some month after Parvati, she told, I am your wife. She thought we make a single body, he pray for both. When Parvati told Shiva make a Ardhanarishwara, this form, that moment, this monk have a lot of meditation power. He become a one incarnation like a bumblebee through the Shiva navel part. It means the center of the body he make a road, only half body around Shiva he make holy rounds, only half body Lord Shiva he pray, then he get down. So later Parvati got idea, okay, his philosophy he pray for only Shiva.
Right.
So again this body secure blood and flesh. This story behind this sculpture is book of Shiva Purana, name of the lesson Ardhanarishwara.
Ardhanarishwara, yeah.
But 1400 years ago they wanted to say through this sculpture men and women equal in the society.
Right.
So they made this one. Just to imagine 1400 years back, no high technology. Chalukyan artist was not only artist, he got a good knowledge about anatomy. How it is? All chest ribs are jointed here, but both sides two ribs are open. As an anatomy that is floating or flying rib, can you see from here? Two floating ribs properly we will see. The bottom, then the shoulder bones, hand bones, leg have a look. There is a kneecap. Then leg have a two bones, fibula and tibia. 70% looks like a skeleton bone. It means he got a good knowledge about anatomy. Have a look this lady is a makeup lady. You know, both earrings are different. Neck have a choker is there. Now with the TV episodes, every language they use heavy jewelries. She wearing the neck, her neck. Then her hand holding makeup box. Just makeup lady this one. There is a makeup box. Still in Mysore Palace, near Palace, there sells this type of jewelry box. Then this is a long dress. Then big buckle, big belt. So still we are using all these things. We feel I'm going fashion, but it was.
It was there.
Yeah.
I have seen in Belur also.
Yes.
Belur, Chennakeshava temple.
Yeah, Chennakeshava temple, 800 years old architecture. So this is 1400. It means Chalukya was the founder. Chalukya was the base of temple architecture. Yes, sir. Not only every subject, not only sense of beauty. Every subject is a recycle. How it is? Just have a look this pillar. Yeah. Wait here. You wait here. Have a look this pillar. I will show the difference. Can you see from here to here? This looks like a one music instrument. This is like a tire. This is like a cushion capital. This is a main beam. This is support beam. Tire and cushion capital center, there have one line. Have a look there.
Yeah.
That is we say load bearing.
Oh, that, yeah, to,
Yes.
to
Yeah, load
rotate that,
bearing.
yeah.
Yeah, nowadays fly over big bridge, not in new technology.
Yeah.
The old architecture.
Old
we are
architecture,
following it. From the foundation to pillar, then cushion, load bearing,
Yeah.
cushion capital, main beam, support beam, centering, iron, foot concrete.
With concrete,
Yeah,
yeah.
whatever it is like a recycle.
Recycle.
Please follow me. You know, we are in the Deccan.
Yeah.
Deccan Plateau. So that lot of people use peanuts oil
Huh.
last 20 years back for cooking oil.
Right.
But 20 years still people change, trend is change. People use sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is good for the human being.
Yeah.
My opinion, 1400 years ago they used sunflower oil. See, countryside now have a look the yellow color flower.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is dig 2, 100% is a sunflower. I told every column have a beautiful pillars, jewelry and flowers every pillar. Sometimes like a birds, some wild animals, then flower designs we will see. Every pillar have look there is a come this side. This pillar, this pillar, this pillar. Have look the flower designs.
Flower design.
Present in India, 80% we will see. Sari border.
Yeah.
Sometimes a chudi dress front.
Yeah.
We will see like this.
Yeah.
Then yes, this is the pillar hall, big one. Then this is the cycle. The lingam is here.
Yeah.
Inside the rock they use, then they made this lingam. So what is mean by lingam? Around the lingam have a female anatomy, center have a male anatomy. Both we say god of fertility. Matru Deva.
Yeah.
Then the front of the sanctum, Chalukan architecture, we will see like this type of steps. Have look the both side elephant trunk.
Yeah.
Lion face, half moon. You know, moon is a rich beauty. Both animals are very strong in the forest.
Right.
So beauty and the strength both together, they say good luck steps.
Right.
Please go ahead, have a look. Watch your step and walk.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a lotus. Ceiling also lotus. Hindu religion, lotus means holy, pavitra. It was prayer temple those days, but now, no prayer.
Right.
Yes, this Nandi brought from outside. Except this Nandi, it's in a one single solid rock.
Oh.
This one. We go this corner. This is a sub cave, Upa Guhe. So additional.
Right.
So naturally they found the rock. Then to come this side, have a look front of us. There is a form of Parvati. Go near.
Yeah.
Form of Parvati. The Parvati is a Durga. She killing the demon buffalo.
Right.
The buffalo is a form of Mahishasura. Buffalo is a Mahishasura demon. Then you know Parvati looks like a warrior. Very strong. Use the trident. Proper hunter. Hunting.
Yeah.
So you see out of the neck, the trident is coming.
Right.
So this very Karnataka is a very popular festival is Chamundi,
yeah.
near Mysore.
Yeah.
Vijaya Dashami. Early October, November we are going big festival. Have a look the inside, the right hand side, the Ganesha. No, right wall. Yes, very simple Ganesha. No belly, no jewelry, no forearms, no crown. It was 1400 years back. Opposite of Ganesha is the Ganesha brother. He seated on his towel peacock. Yeah. So this is Kartik Subramanya, Murugan, very popular name. Yes, just have a, no, wait here. Just make video from here. Have a look, we are in the dedicated Shiva temple. It's a Shaiva. Have a look, this is the Islamic architecture.
Right.
Yeah, it's a 500 years old architecture. 10th and 11th century, this type of building from Iran and Turkey. So this influenced by Iran and Turkey. This one made by Adil Shahi dynasty.
Right.
This is a Gumbaj. Gumbaj means after death the body buried inside.
Okay.
There is a North Hill. There is a Vaishnava, Vishnu temple. See, Vaishnava, Islam and Shaiva. The three religions is this is a occasionally we will see like this.
Right.
Yeah, that is a North Hill in Badami. Have looked the rock, it looks like a Petra. Sometimes you feel when you get down the car, then have looked the location from the parking, looks like a Grand Canyon. You know, every place have a own beauty. So a lot of people moving in Grand Canyon and Petra, then Gandikota. So everyone we have here.
Correct. Everything is here. That's what I thought when I first came. This is like treasury. in the Petra. I have gone there.
Yeah.
So it's like this. This is like treasury that they have right in Petra.
So that's why I'm explaining the people.
Yeah.
Indian people have a look. This is
This
everyone
is
we have here.
We have here.
Yeah.
Correct.
So please come to Badami, have a look, enjoy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Then amazing rocks. Then there is a monkey.
Yeah.
There are so many monkeys in this place.
Yeah.
Now we are going to the second cave
Okay.
by the steps. Have a look these holes. Last 120, 150 years back, people removed the stone, built the houses.
Oh.
But now, no stone mining. It was last 150 years back.
Right.
See the monkey, I told you the monkeys are so many here. Yeah, like this is we say mocaco. Have a look, the small holes are here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then after the plant, have a look the big holes.
Yeah.
Have a look the right hand side. Yeah, so it was last 150 years back. People remove the stone, build the houses. Stand here, look the location front. You cover the video, looks like a South India map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yes. Yeah, please show their beware of monkey. Do not carry offer any eatables to monkeys. So very crazy monkeys in Badami. Any travelers moving here,
Yeah.
so be careful
Yeah.
because of the monkey.
Yeah.
We know every day. Have a look, there is eating bread, roti. Yeah, you are standing, these are original steps.
Oh.
I am standing, this is newly done by last
Okay.
45 years back, Archaeological Survey of India. So selected, I hope 25 steps are original.
Right.
Otherwise all newly
All are
done
newly
by
done, yeah.
Yes, I. Yes, this is the second one, dedicated Vishnu. Then out of the temple, Lilliputs. You know, you travel in any archaeological sites in India, observation is the most important. So, these are, you travel in India, only Chalukyan temple architecture we will see like this. You feel the body, you feel the movement, you feel the hairstyle,
Yeah.
you feel the feelings. Have a look the corner, still alive, laughing.
Yeah.
Why we can't see the good faces? Because top of the caves there is a border. The rain water fell down.
Oh.
That's why we can't see the good one. So the laughing face we hope to avoid the evil eyes. That's why they made. Otherwise we hope 1400 years ago this type of people was lived here like pygmy, like a dwarfs.
Yeah.
But as a science, people don't agree. People feel those days people was tall. Then I told the body, you know the body like a sumo fighters. So I hope this is a Buddhist influence. But properly we want research, then we got ideas why they made this one. And I told the movement, have looked the movements. Present Hollywood, Bollywood heroine make like this dance movement.
Yeah.
So first dance, you know Hema Malini ji going one Durga dance.
Yeah.
1.5 hour. It is the team work, the big classical dance. So the first step they use, then count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the fifth number like a Chinna Mudra, teaching movements.
Yeah.
Yes, we go that side. Have a look this second dance movement, second number. Dharmendra ji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kritik Roshan ji. Sometimes Govinda ji did like this.
Yeah.
Then, no, 1 minute. Jitendra ji. One famous dancer in hero South India, Prabhudeva, long back, Kadalan movie, Mukkala, Mukkabula. He did like this. Where is the hand? Where is the leg? We can't see. So very speed movement. Maybe choreographer inspired from here.
From here, yes.
Yeah. So you have any someone share with me? You have a dance movement. I will explain next tourist. I will say the tourist.
I think this is part of Kathak, right?
Yeah.
That this
Yeah. Yes, sir. Kathak.
Kathak.
Kathak from which state?
Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
Yes. Kathak is Kerala. Yes. Yes, 3 caves inside and outside. We will see like this. Have a look. This is door guardian of Lord Shiva.
Right.
The door guardian of Lord Shiva. So the two. Have a look. The women are moving here. You know, these people. Will you make video? I will explain. These people from is local people. You see the sari border, the colors. Then have a look the jewelry. So these are the traditional saris in this area.
Right.
This area with the very big product last 100-120 years back. The place of the name Ilkal. So Ilkal is a famous for sari. There is a 2 types of saris available. One is cotton, one is silk sari.
Silk sari, yeah.
So this is a traditional. Now is the winter. The winter we say Kartika Masa. You know
Kartik Masa, yeah.
So Kartika Masa now is the marriage. So after
season.
marriage they travel and go to the holy
Holy
temples.
temples, yeah.
On the way they look this monuments.
Yeah.
So this is a local saris.
So that is famous for
Ilkal.
Ilkal.
Ilkal. The name of the sari is the Ilkal.
Ilkal.
The 2 types of sari. Ilkal sari, cotton sari and silk sari.
Silk saris.
Yes, once again. The door guardian.
Yeah.
There also. This I told dedicated Shiva temple.
Shiva temple, yeah.
The 2 door guardians are here, Jaya and Vijaya. As a principle, the 2 door guardians are here. It means they put it inside Lord Vishnu.
Right.
But present inside the sanctum sanctorum, we can't see the Vishnu.
Right.
Where it is, we don't know. What we saw the first cave, that was a monolithic lingam.
Right,
But
right.
here they brought from outside, then keep it inside.
Okay.
So 757 AD Chalukya dynasty was completely enough. So 8th century beginning, it was stolen.
So
But where it is, we don't know. But I hope something special have a statue. It was a good granite, good marble, good metal. So something special, it was stolen.
it was stolen.
Yeah. We go to the inside. Have a look at the ceiling. That is like a wheel, like a chakra. Yeah, it's a Vishnu first incarnation. The center have a lotus.
Yeah.
Around the lotus, 16 fish.
Yeah.
16 no big meaning, just for the beauty. Yes, have a look. This is swastika. Swastika is a good luck symbol in Hindu religion.
Yeah.
Then this is angels. You know, every religion have angels.
Yeah.
Someone told me Japan have angels
Yeah.
with whale flying on the sky. You read in Bible, they're with wings flying on the sky. But our angels, no whale, no wings. Looks like absolutely flying on the
Flying,
sky. So these are assistant god and goddess, like a messengers.
Yeah.
Present 21st century, would you like to see angels like a drone? Yeah, otherwise satellite? Yes. This is a Vishnu third incarnation. See, the Vishnu first incarnation is a fish.
Right.
Stand there. And this is the second incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Samudra Manthara, churning of the ocean.
Yeah.
There, under the sea, Mandara hill. He went in under the Mandara hill, then he hold, then come up. Then churning of the ocean. There have a Vishnu second incarnation, turtle.
Right.
Like tortoise.
Tortoise.
This is the third one.
Yeah.
It means one by one Vishnu incarnation improvement.
Right.
For example, you remove the fish out of the water, within some second life is finished.
Yeah.
You remove the turtle, keep on the ground,
Yeah.
so that is life.
Yeah.
It means one by one is improvement. This looks like a human body while both face, then he holding goddess of arms.
Yeah.
So this is a Vishnu third incarnation. A small story behind this. She is a wife of Lord Vishnu, mother of Bhudevi. One of the demon was kidnapping this goddess. He went in underworld through the earth. So Vishnu make it this form because wild boar have a good tusk.
Right.
So wild boar easy to dug this up. Vishnu make it this form. He went there. He killed the demon. Finally, he preserved. He saved this goddess.
Oh.
This is on road King's Lobra area. They worshipping to Lord Vishnu. This looks like a half human body, half snake body.
Snake body, yeah.
Most important of Chalukya, wild boar was the monogram of Chalukya dynasty.
Right.
Raja Mudra,
Yeah.
royal emperor.
Royal.
Yes, sir. There is a bottom, lily puts. You know the hairstyle? Like a curly.
Curly,
Present in UK, High Court
Yeah.
judges and Parliament Speaker, they use like this type of wigs.
Correct.
My opinion, last 200 years India ruling by British government, maybe inspired from here, could be. Yeah, we hope that this is the one hairstyle, but it's not big. Have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4 members holding the music instrument,
Yeah.
4 like a musicians, 5th like a singer, 6 like a dancer,
Dancer, yeah.
like a orchestra, band set.
Yeah.
This one. Have a look, this is Vishnu 5th incarnation, Vamana. holding umbrella. Afterward, Vishnu become a Trivikrama, tall man. Trivikrama means big one. Then king of the demon Mahabali, his followers, his wife Vindhyavali, Bali teacher Shukracharya. These are also Bali followers. Shortly, I will explain the story. Teacher one day explained to him, you make some special function for God and goddess, or you go to king of the heaven. He prepared the prayers. That time all god and goddess, they doesn't like to he control the heaven. So that time Vishnu make this form, like a poor Brahmin guy, then holding umbrella. Went his palace, asked there I need free step land. When king was agree, afterward Vishnu become a tall Vikrama. So first step put the earth is covered. Second step put the sky is covered. At the moment Vishnu was more angry. Who is placed in the third step? So we will see here only third step keep on his head, pushed in underworld.
Okay.
So Diwali first day we remember for this king in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra and Kerala also.
Right.
Maharashtra they say Bali Pratipada.
Bali Pratipada.
Same day we say Bali Padami.
Yeah.
Kerala in August or September they feel Onam.
Onam, yes.
Yeah. Then requesting here this movement, don't kill my father, don't kill my king. This looks like a warrior, he want to kill the Vishnu.
Right.
So the both statue next year we will see. Fifth incarnation, Varaha, then fifth incarnation, Vamana and Trivikrama. Third one, Varaha, both we will see enlarged.
Yeah.
Then have a look. It was all herbal printed. See there, pink roots.
Yeah, really.
See the garland. You follow my finger. One female face, eyes, hairstyle, neck, shoulder, hands, and body. Then have a look. This is a diamond design. Come this side. Have a look. This bottom of the beam, black, pink. Come outside. Have a look there. Ceiling. It was herbal painted.
I can imagine when it was newly done, so beautiful it must have looked.
Yes,
colorful.
Yeah, 1 minute. Like a Petra Valley.
Petra Valley.
Yeah, this is Petra looks like it. This one. Okay, nothing in inside. Just you walk around yourself. The image. This is just natural cave. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have looked the ceiling. There's a lot of rock jointed. Man-made 4.
Yeah.
One is the natural cave. You know, India have a 4 type of fortification. One is ground level. You travel in Gulbarga, Vijaypur, Bidar, then Hampi, the ground level fortification. Rani Abbakka from coastal, the place of the name Ullal, there sea built front of the sea have a fortification. One more top of the hill, here top of the hill have a fortification. So front of us is a North Hill in Badami, North Hill have a fortification. So how it is, this is around the hill have a fortification.
Right.
See there's some works going on.
Yeah.
After the lake, after the water, some people there is one staircase is there. So after the road, there is a road. After the road, there is a white painting. Yeah, there is a fortification. Have a look. Continue.
Yeah.
There is some staircase. Then have a look. A hill dead end up.
Yeah.
There is a watchtower.
Yeah.
Front of us there is a small temple. Then front of the temple near greenery. After that greenery there is it was no good condition. Last 15 years back they restoration.
Right.
So this around the hill have a fortification. It was 543 AD first Pulakesi was made. He was the first ruler in Badami. So those days they have a palace. Right. But we go there, nothing in there top of the hill. But we want Badami and Aibale, we need excavation, then we got ideas. Where is the palace? It means they preserve this hill station. It means top of the hill they have a fortification, fort yard, the palace yard. But you know the geological condition. I told already we are in the Deccan. So 4 to 5 months is too hot in this area.
Yeah.
They have a wooden palace.
Yeah.
757 AD Chalukya was completely enough.
Yeah.
8th century beginning, someone they burn it.
Yeah.
So present we can't see the palace.
Yeah.
So this is a North Hill in Badami. So the North Hill around fortification. Then put it the name Giri Durga.
Giri Durga.
Yes.
Okay. And that Bhutnath temple is with this one, huh?
No. I will
Is
explain.
that side, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, once again have a look the
Yeah, the cave.
natural cave. But now this month you are travel this area.
Huh.
This is normally the good season for us.
Yeah.
But now is the COVID-19 global warming.
Yeah.
Very less.
Very less tourists, I know. Especially that international flights are closed, right? Otherwise, the people are more interested. This foreigners, right?
Yes. A lot of we are worked with French people and German people.
Yeah.
Then Russian.
Yeah.
Too much Russian, but now no
No.
single person in European. Then Russian. Then come close. Look, this way. Go to top of the hill.
Okay.
Yes. So this is
Oh.
totally 70 step, around 64 70.
Hmm.
This way go to top of the hill.
Hmm.
But it was closed in 1996.
Huh.
No safety for the tourist. That's why it was closed.
Oh.
Look this wall.
Yeah.
See some writings.
Yeah.
So this type of more than 1,000 one-line inscription available in both hill. You told previously
Yeah.
some inscription. is
Inscription.
here. So we will see one authentic inscription in the third cave.
Yeah.
Yeah. See the rock, this one.
Yeah. It looks like a coffee painted kind of.
Yes. Have a look. This is the Badami city. 43,000 population. 70% Hindu people, 15% Islamic, 15% other all religious people. But very good friendship, good people.
Yeah, good people.
Yeah, very good.
So Buddhists also stay here, no? Yeah, because I heard there is one Buddhist temple, Jain temple somewhere.
Yeah, that is behind the lake.
Huh.
Here also what I told natural cave,
Huh.
that was they recognize this Buddhist. But in Buddha, Dr. Banerjee historian mentioned,
Huh.
there you see the Buddha have a tall head.
Huh.
That is goes to Bodhisattva.
Huh.
It means in become feature in he become a Buddha.
Huh.
So properly Pacific Buddha temple in Aipale,
Huh.
but there we can't see the Buddha statue.
Oh, acha.
That statue keep it inside the museum.
Museum. Okay. This is our original steps, right?
Yes, there then here someone. Just have a look. This is
Wow.
what it called. What's your step?
I would say Petra has only one treasury,
Yeah.
but this one has 4.
Yes. Have a look this.
My God, it's so huge.
There is a parrot. See? Yeah. There, green.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, there is a parrot.
Yeah.
Near the steps.
Huh.
Have a look there.
Huh.
Some parrots.
Oh.
My experience, I'm looking since 20 years.
Huh.
When artist was made this rock cut temple,
Huh.
those days also there parrots.
Okay.
Because that is very safer side. It's a small cave,
Yeah.
natural cave.
Yeah.
There is don't come scorpion, don't
Yeah.
come snakes.
Yeah.
So the good life.
Yeah.
Maybe when he free time,
Huh.
artist he sitting outside,
Huh.
then looking, the parrots are there, then
Huh.
he made some movements are look like that type of parrot movements.
Yeah. Or maybe they helped also while doing this construction, because I had read one art story that sometimes they help in some work, maybe small work,
Yes.
but their contribution is there. So they include them in their architecture.
Yes.
That's also one thing.
Yeah. Then have a look this wall, 6th century. See the rock.
Yeah.
This is very very good rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a fortification. The natural color of the rock looks like a
Painted one. Yeah.
Then the 2007 before it was no good condition.
Yeah.
Restoration by the department.
Yeah.
But as it is.
Same.
Yeah, replica. Yes, one moment. Just have a look this temple front cut like a cinemascope.
Yeah.
Like a 70 mm screen.
Yeah.
Exact he was carved.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, this is a authentic dated 578 AD. Mangalesha king was made this one. They took time 12 years. Then those days it was the prayer temple. The priest was worshipping. King donated by the priest some village and land. All mentioned in the inscription.
Right.
So 578 AD, count in 21st century. This goes to 1444 years running.
Wow.
This one. Then all caves front flooring. The people sit here benches. All newly done by ASI.
Okay.
Last 40 years back. We go that corner. Have a look. There is a one big sculpture. Already I told the story behind this sculpture.
Yeah.
But this is the enlarged. So as a historian, we find out here. So Mangalesha was made this one. This is authentic dated.
Right.
So what we saw the second cave, it was an average sculpture.
Right.
It
This is a
means,
huge one.
Yeah. It means before this cave that was practicing.
Correct. Yes.
That was the model.
Model,
Afterward they made big
Yeah.
and large. Yes, I told this is the authentic dated temple. Then have a look. This is one more inscription is here. One more we will see inside. They mention here it was the prayer temple. The priest was worshipping. King donated by the priest some village and land. That subject mentioned in this inscription. These are one line inscription. But now they feel these are the architect name.
Oh.
They mention in information board. But sometimes I am agree, sometimes I am not agree. Because we want here art by,
Yeah.
no art by, just names.
Just names. Yeah.
So sometimes agree.
We can't agree. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes we can't agree. Yes, front of us. Look, there is a one huge sculpture, Harihara. Hari means Vishnu, Hara means Shiva. The Vishnu holding in his hand seashell, Shiva holding in his hand axe with snake. They wanted to say through this sculpture so many names of God, but God is only one, so they made this one.
Yeah.
Then previously this corner have a step, they put it some stones. But
Okay.
they removed the stones, then they made this one Archaeological Survey of India. Sorry, Archaeological Society of India.
Yeah.
Now Archaeological Survey. So
Earlier.
this is the last 100 years back.
Yeah.
Because department founder is the British government.
Huh.
At the moment it was Archaeological Society of India. So after independent they changed the name, Archaeological Survey of
Survey
India.
of India.
Now running 153 years running.
Oh my God.
Just nearly have looked the Trivikrama, very huge, like a warrior.
Yeah.
Then one person holding the leg requesting,
Yeah.
don't kill my father, don't kill my king,
Same.
like that.
Yeah.
Then one first person like a sadhu, you feel the face looks like a
Yeah.
Buddhist influence, Buddhist hairstyle.
Yeah.
The Shukracharya.
Yeah.
Behind the king Mahabali.
Yeah.
Behind the lady,
Yeah.
wife of Mahabali,
Correct.
Vindhyavali. Then big one, 12 feet height sculpture. Little go back. Have a look this. This is a happy couple. You know this lady have a men dress. The men dress have a bottom like a 3/4 Bermuda. So it was those days.
Oh.
Please stand here. Turn. No, you stand here. See, one amazing corner.
Wow. This is like.
We say this is a
This design is completely different than what we see.
yeah.
there.
It means except Ellora Kailasanath rock cut temple. I hope this is the one beautiful rock cut temple in
Yeah,
India.
right.
How it is, you feel looks like a king parliament.
Parliament, yeah.
Have a look. Their king seated on the throne.
Yeah.
Outside pillars are one type of pillar. Inside pillar looks like a
Very
painted.
different
Is a
pillar, yeah.
looks like a painting. Is natural formation of the rock. It's not
Yeah,
painting.
yeah.
So approximately 58 feet width, 60 feet length, more than 12 feet height. So I hope this is one beautiful rock cut temple in India. Now nearly have a look the Harihara. Half Vishnu, half Shiva, and large. See the top of the head, Shankar Bhagwan,
Yeah.
half moon, skull face, snake face, holding in his hand Parashunaga,
Yeah.
snake with the axe. Yes, I hope you've been Hampi. You saw this Hampi, this sculpture.
Yeah.
This is in 22 feet height. That is exactly we say Lakshmi Yoga Narasimha.
Yeah.
But Lakshmi statue was broken there. Just you say Yoga Narasimha. Sometimes people say angry Narasimha because face is angry.
Yeah.
But historians say don't say angry. Yoga Narasimha. Yoga Narasimha. Occasionally standing here. Human body, laughing face, lion face.
Yeah.
So this is we say victorious lion.
Right.
Vijaya Narasimha. then Prahlada, then Garuda is there, but Garuda looks like a human body, little bit wings are there.
Yeah.
This name is very popular in Andhra and Telangana. Andhra and Telangana, they say this is Narasimha Naidu, Samarasimha Reddy, P.V. Narasimha.
P.V. Narasimha.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So very popular in this name.
Yeah.
Oh no, once again climb up. Have a look this couple. You know, this is a one amazing couples in this temple. This is a fabulous. How it is present in Hollywood, Bollywood, say zero size, zero figure couple.
Okay,
See?
yeah.
Both is a fantastic. This is zero size
Six pack.
couple. Yes, I think so. Six pack is different. But when you search the figure of the male and female, female, what is the head size? That is goes to trunk size.
Yes.
That is we say Simha Kati.
Okay.
Simha means lion.
Okay.
Kati means trunk. So the lion trunk. So the perfect. It means they have a great knowledge. Was those days. The architect.
Fitness.
Yeah.
And,
but at present we don't know the names. Who was the architect?
Yeah.
Yeah. The great.
Great architect.
I will look this couples, but this is Shiva and Parvati. Yeah, happy couples looks like it. Yeah, first, the second came we saw the painting. I will look. You follow my hand. See the herbal painted 1400 years back.
This is really.
There have a look one face. You been Ajanta?
No.
Ajanta have a look. More than 45% is a good paintings you will see. Herbal painted, but same face in Ajanta. See, there totally four faces. Two green, two white. Upper part is green and red little. Here white turban looks like a. It's not turban, that is a pillar. Near their pillar have a two female, but we can't see the proper face. Have a look, you follow my hand. Here the one lady sitting, no clothes. No, we can't see the face. Just black jewelry, her neck, black bracelet, her hand, little bit breast, little bit hand and legs, body we will see. But all gone. It was 1400 years back.
It would have been so wonderful.
Yeah, one moment have a look this couples. You know, this couple have a less jewelry. Please come with me, stand here. Have a look this couples. Rich jewelry. 1400 years back, economy was good, like a up down. Come with me. See this. No. Sir. Brahma. Around Brahma seated on the swan. Bird, Hamsa Pakshi. Around him supporting God and Goddess. India, we have so many Shiva and Vishnu temple. We don't have a Brahma temple. We have Brahma temple. Only one. That is in Rajasthan. Pushkara, 6th century. So sometimes we will see Brahma like this. Please come here. Have a look at Vishnu with the two goddess. Then outside around the supporting God and Goddess. Then let me come this side. Have a look. This is a Shiva. With Parvati. Then king of the heaven, Indra, with his travel elephant. The name of the elephant is Airavata. Around him Apsaras, Rambe, Urvasi, Menake, like that. There is a god of wealth, Kubera. Right hand weapon, left hand holding the money bag. It's a god of wealth. This one. This is a one fantastic figure in Badami. This is a unique. This is a Lord Vishnu seated on the snake. You know Lord Vishnu sleeping on the snake. So many temples in India. We say that is a Sesha Shayana, Ananta Shayana, Padmanabha. But the first time seated on the snake, historian put it the name. This is a Mahavishnu, big Vishnu sculpture. Have a look at the snake body, snake tail, top of the head, snake face. Really? So this is 1400 years ago. Chalukyan king seated on the throne like this style. So how you recognize king seated on the throne? Have a look left, right side. Two women are there, holding hand fan, panka. So the panka is there, fan is there. It means two men. We recognize the king seated on the throne. So this is Mahavishnu sculpture. Have a look, there is a Garuda.
Sleeping.
Yes, no duty, relaxed weekend. Looks like it. The Lakshmi is here. Then the top of the head snake face. In his hand a wheel and seashell. So recognize Vishnu seated on the snake. Please little come this side. See this. Already we saw this one wild boar. Varaha, the big one here. Yes. Hello this.
Inscriptions.
Inscription. So this is a 23 line inscription. This is a Mangalesha pillar inscription. 540 AD, first Pulakesi was the first ruler. He have into some Kirtivarma and Mangalesha. So the Badami third ruler was made this one. This is the authentic dated inscription. 1 minute, stand here. Just have a look the gentle couples. You feel the face. Different looking. Just both face. Come this side. Stand here. Again see the face. You feel laughing.
Oh, yeah.
We can't see their laughing. The both face different feelings.
From different angles, you can see differently.
Yes.
That's really amazing. In that century, I mean.
Yeah. Happy couples, but she is not proper standing because the sea drunken lady.
Oh.
I hope so. Those days man was good.
Yeah.
Just my thinking. Then this is those days people use alcohol. When man use alcohol too much, how is the body movement?
Yeah.
They show here.
Sure, yeah. 1 minute. I'll just.
Okay. Look this. Darpana Sundari. Darpana means mirror.
Oh, this is in Bellur also.
Yeah, left hand mirror, right hand making hairstyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, those days. Yes, one interesting statue here. See the tall lady? Sila Balike. See the right side bottom? Just like a baby.
Yeah.
You see the baby behind? Come this side. Stand here. Have a look the baby behind. See their baby face behind. The baby earring behind looks like a monkey face.
Yes.
Yeah? So my opinion, monkey to man. Otherwise, sometimes baby looks like a monkey.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when man sees a beautiful lady, brain become monkey. He follow her. So the good message for the youths. This one. It's gentle couples. 1400 years ago they used a transparent sari.
Yeah.
Some lining, some flowers on the saris.
I think this all must be those days colored also, right? Maybe the color is gone due to rainwater.
Yeah, color was gone. Someone colored, someone not colored.
And there is something I saw here.
Original color. See, make video. This is the original color. From here, there also.
But what is that? I mean, the square with the circle in that.
We don't know. Just I will explaining here. This one. White, orange, green. Last 3 months back, I met some Bombay couple. There was a software engineer, both. They told me China have a one good luck symbol. I don't know properly name. That is they say Yin Yang.
Okay.
Yin Yang. That is like a mango design, one white, one black, opposite. That is a good luck symbol.
Okay.
So they feel this is also one
good luck symbol.
But how they compare, I don't know. I don't know properly.
But this is only remaining. I mean, all the colors.
Here also. There also. This is the original painting.
Yeah.
Just walk around inside and come. I wait here.
What is this? I never saw this before. This one?
This is last 300 years back.
Oh.
You heard the name of Pandarapura.
Pandarapura.
Vijay Vithala. So Vithala, the lot of devotees from Karnataka. More than lakhs together people moving there in festival time.
Yeah.
They carrying the lotus. So
Right.
this is a devotee of Vijay Vittal. This
Okay.
is not Chalukyan art. Previously I told Chalukyan art and architecture stone outside.
Ah.
It's a little bit stone inside.
Inside, right.
This is not one balance.
Okay, okay.
The road is here, then they made it.
Oh.
It's a devotee of Vishnu.
Okay.
Like this. These are the painting palettes.
Yeah.
Here outside also. Painting palettes.
This was third, right?
Yeah, this is the third one. Remaining one more.
One more.
Yeah, just one moment. Have a look. This is Ashtabhuja Vishnu.
Yeah.
Like a Virata Purusha. Looks like a warrior holding in his hand all weapon.
Yeah.
Sword was broken there.
Yeah.
Once again, have a look the wild boar from here. Clear.
Yeah.
The third incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Can you see from here? There is a lake behind the water. Behind there is a temple.
Yeah,
It's a Bhutanatha.
Bhutanatha temple.
Yes. Then front part of the temple. Have a look. That is in like a ram. Hut model. It's not Chalukyan art. It's a later edition. It's a 9th century. Rashtrakuta was made.
Right.
In front of the house, behind the water, both is group of Bhutanatha temple.
Right.
It's a dedicated Shiva. Some around there, small temple, experiment model. Then there, banyan tree big. There little bit red color we will see.
Yeah.
There's a building. There's a museum. The archaeological museum. Yes. From there have a 600 steps left hand side near the museum. Then walk up top of the hill.
Okay.
There is a two temple, Upper Shivalaya and Lower Shivalaya.
Okay.
Rainy season. The rainy season, the rain falls. Front of us, there is a almond color hill station. There is a one black marking, big marking,
Yeah.
exact front of us. So the big almond color square. There, 1 hour rain, more than 2.5 hours falls coming, rain falls.
Oh.
So rainy season. Then this is a Agastya Lake.
Yeah.
Yes, how is the Agastya Lake? I told before Badami it was Vatapi or Vatapipura. So Vatapi is the one of the demon. So Vatapi and Ilvala, two demons was lived on this hill. They killed the people, ate the people. How it is? They playing on the road like a Brahmin kids. So that is playing on the road. When the people travel moving on the road, they feel they talk with the people. Oh, your face looks like a hungry. On this road, no good restaurant, no facility for food. So in case you want, we are Brahmin, we pre-service for food. The people, nobody no cancel the Brahmin house food because it's good and healthy and tasty. So they tackle the people, pick the people, go to the house, Vatapi and Ilvala. When reach the house, Vatapi demon become a goat. Ilvala cut the goat, then prepare the food, then serve it.
Oh.
When people finish the food, Vatapi, Ilvala say, they say, Vatapi, you come outside. He have that power. He listen that sound, then he break the stomach, he come outside.
Oh.
So the same program, Agastya Maharushi.
Right.
Agastya have a lot of meditation power. He got idea. These are not Brahmin kids. These are the demons.
Demons.
Then he went house. Then he finished the food. Before Ilvala, he was used left hand on his stomach. He said Vatapi Jirno Bhava. So Vatapi was digest.
Okay.
So Vatapi Pura name of the city like Udaipur.
Yeah.
Ilvala, what we see the rock is Badami have a Ilvala rocks.
Ilvala rocks,
Then Agastya name of the lake.
Lake.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah.
Hello. Sarah?
Yeah.
Dedicated Mahavira.
Yeah.
See, as a rule of archaeology, which rock cut temple is the small, that is very oldest. Where art and architecture improvement, that is later addition. So, as a historian, Previously, they made this one. 543 AD, first Pulakesi and his elder son.
Okay.
When it was made the same time, they made Shiva temple.
Okay.
The third ruler of Mangalesha, he was made to Vishnu rock cut
right.
temple. So 543 it was started, 578 it was completed.
Right.
Around 38 or 40 years they took time, then they made 4 rock cut temple. Then Jain temple always out of the village or top of the hill.
Right.
So this is top of the hill Jain temple. Then 3 statues are here important. Mahavira, Parshvanatha and Bahubali. Then Jain religion have 2 parts, Svetambara and Digambara. So 3 Digambara statues we will see.
Okay.
Mahavira, sitting meditation. That is.
This one Mahavira.
Yeah, so Mahavira. Bottom lion pedestal.
Yeah.
Yeah, belongs to Mahavira. Parshvanatha. You know the Jain religion has totally 24 prophets. This is 23rd prophet. Top of the head by the snake face. The Lakshmi and Raksha, 2 assistants are here.
Right.
Then this is the Bahubali.
Okay.
You feel the face?
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Laughing. See the eyebrows, see the forehead. Looks like he recently made it.
Yeah.
But it was 1400 years back. Long hairs around him, his followers. We say Ajana Bahu. You know, Ajana Bahu, that is a Sanskrit. Ajana means knee. Up to the knee he have a hand. Bahu, big shoulder.
Big shoulder.
The inside the sanctum sanctorum, Mahavira.
Okay.
He seated in meditation.
Yeah.
So top of the head 3 steps like umbrella. The 2 chauri bearers. Behind there is a pillow. Then front of the pedestal is a lion. So belongs to Mahavira. So it was inside the rock they used, then they made this one. Monolithic Mahavira. Okay. Then this is a big Mahavira standing. Occasionally Mahavira standing. Normally we will see the Mahavira sitting sculpture lot.
Right.
Then this is also Mahavira. But it's very small rock temple. Then wall, pillar have a sculpture belongs to Mahaviras. Because you recognize the top of the head 3 steps.
Umbrella.
We recognize that is Mahavira.
Mahavira. So Mahavira, Parshvanatha and Bahubali.
Yes, 3 main important. Bahubali, Parshvanatha, front part. Inside the sanctum sanctorum, Mahavira.
Yeah.
This is Kubera, the god of wealth. Belly, so that's why we recognize Kubera.
Kubera.
Then you walk there, go down, right turn. Behind the lake, there is a way. First banyan second banyan tamarind tree, reach temple. Then come back. Front of the second banyan there is a museum. With the museum. After that, are you interested? Climb up the hill. 600 steps.
Okay.
But easy walk.
Easy walk.
No heavy. Because 4-5 steps after that flat.
Okay.
10 steps after flat. Like that. Then like a field, the Petra Valley, Grand Canyon, all valleys. There.
It is like that Anjanadri or
Hill.
the Hampi.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
My service is finished.
Sure.
Thank you.
What's your name again, sir?
My name is Basavaraj.
Okay.
I'm
So
working here since 20 years, approved tourist guide. Then I was studied diploma in tourism, Hampi University. It was 2003.
Wow.
My professional as tour guide. I'm working total North Karnataka. It means Hindu architecture and Islamic architecture. But now is COVID-19. That's why we are not travel. I'm working only here in this place.
okay, so I'll just mention your number on the video.
Yeah.
So anyone wants to come here, they can call you and they can directly contact you.
Yeah. So my mobile number is 944-9416-423. Then one more, my WhatsApp number 8147510691. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Basavaraj.
Thank you.
And hope you recover soon. This was what, hand?
It was last 2 years back. I was lose my hand.
Oh my God.
It was accident.
Okay.
So I hope so. Is future coming good? I put some fingers, but it will take time.
Okay.
More than 6 months.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are done exploring all the 4 caves with the guide. Now I'm walking back, taking pictures and some videos of all the 4 caves. It was amazing, man. Really amazing.